Welcome to vz.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, if 5 meter long ladder is placed leaning towards a vertical wall such that it reaches the wall at a point 4 meter high, if the foot of the ladder is moved 1.6 meter towards the wall, then the distance by which the top of the ladder would slide upward on the wall is, and we have given the options 2.1 meter, 1.8 meter, 0.8 meter and 0.4 meter. From given information, let us draw here. Let PS be the ladder let PS be the ladder of length 5 meter and QS be the height of the wall which ladder is placed. If the foot of the ladder is moved 1.6 meter towards the wall, that is, suppose here it is 0.0, then PO will be 1.6, this is R, then the ladder is slide upward. We have to find this length, that is SR. Suppose it is X meter. Now let us write first what is given here. Let PS be the ladder of length 5 meter and QS equals to 4 meter be the height of the wall. Which ladder is placed. If the foot of the ladder is moved 1.6 meter towards the wall, that is PO equals to 1.6 meters, then the ladder is slide upward, that is this length will be X meters. We assume that. Now in right angled triangle, here PS square equals to PQ square plus QS square. So substituting values here in right angle triangle PQS. So here PS square means phi square equals to PQ square plus QS is 4 meters, so it is 4 square. So from this we can find PQ square as 25 minus 16, so it is 9 meters. Here this is 4 meters, so PQ square equals to 9 meters. So taking square root on both the sides, we get PQ equals to 3 meters. Now from figure we can see here OQ equals to PQ minus PO, so it is 3 minus 1.6, which is 1.4 meters. Also in right angle triangle RQO, here RO square equals to OQ square plus RQ square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. So substituting values here, RQ square means phi square equals to RQ square plus OQ square means 1.4 square. So RQ square will be phi square minus 1.4 square, so it is 25 minus 1.96, so it will be 23.04. Taking square root on both the sides, we get RQ equals to 4.8. Now RS equals to RQ minus SQ, so it is 4.8 minus 4, which is 0.8. Hence the top of the ladder is the top of the ladder would slide upwards on the wall at distance .8 meters. From available options, we have option C as 0.8 meters.